Hello everyone, today we will explore the new feature of iSG, the Media Center service. Let's see how it can enrich our digital life experience. First, let's open the link app and tap on the Media Center service icon to enter a brand new world. Here, we have three main sections: media files, playlists, and grid lists, all offering limitless creativity and convenience. In the Media Files section, you can easily upload pictures and videos from your phone, or use the camera function to capture wonderful moments. Link provides each personal account with 500 megabytes of free cloud storage, and you can purchase additional storage within the app to meet your needs. Choose a picture you love and upload it to your Link cloud account. The first upload might take some time, but soon you'll see it perfectly displayed on the iSG screen. For music lovers, iSG also supports music playback. You can play the music you've uploaded and control it with a detailed playback interface, including pause, play, fast forward, and volume adjustments. Moreover, you can add your favorite music to a favorites list to enjoy a personalized music experience anytime. iSG also features TTS voice broadcasting, making your device smarter. Additionally, the video playback function enriches your visual experience. In the Playlists section, you can create personalized playlists or directly play your favorites list. Whether it's pictures, videos, or music, iSG meets all your playback needs. It's worth mentioning that pictures and videos can be set to play in the foreground, while music can play in the background, offering a dual audio-visual experience. The Grid List section offers even more creative space. You can create layouts with tutu for grids, easily combining pictures with videos to make your screen more dynamic and colorful. The remote control icon in the top right corner is your shortcut to controlling the iSG. Through it, you can easily manage basic functions like screen on/off and volume control. The screensaver feature also allows your device to display personalized images when not in use. Just a tap on the screen brings you back to the iSG homepage instantly. One more thing, iSG's linkage settings feature makes your device even smarter. For example, you can set it so that when the door sensor opens, the lights turn on and the screen lights up. When the door sensor closes, the lights go off and the screen turns off. Now, let's actually test out these smart linkages. Thank you for watching, and there are more powerful features of iSG waiting for you to discover. Don't hesitate, start experiencing the smart new life that iSG brings today.